Gardening at home, greener lifestyle in the hustle of daily life, finding connections to nature can be challenging. This engaging guide walks us through the ease and necessity of growing fruits and vegetables at home. Home gardening basics. Starting a home garden doesn't require vast spaces. Even the smallest yard or balcony can transform into a green haven. The video highlights how digging a small patch of land or using containers can start your gardening journey. Sack gardening. An innovative yet straightforward method shown is sack gardening. Fruit and vegetable benefits. Growing your fruits and vegetables isn't just rewarding, it's a step towards healthier living. Consuming what you grow ensures you're eating fresh, organic produce, free from harmful pesticides. It's also a cost-effective way to add nutrition to your diet. Environmental impact. Home gardening has a positive environmental impact. Plants act as natural air purifiers, and gardening itself reduces your carbon footprint. Every home garden contributes to a greener, cleaner planet. Educational and therapeutic. Gardening is an educational activity for all ages. It teaches responsibility, patience, and the science of plant life. The therapeutic benefits are immense too, as gardening can be a peaceful, meditative practice. Community and self-sufficiency. Growing your own food fosters a sense of community and self-sufficiency. Sharing produce with neighbors or teaching children about food sources strengthens community bonds. Empower, learn, grow with PSM Learning Hub, shaping brighter futures.